In today's video, I will share with you different jobs that you could do to earn for yourself up to $40 per hour without any sort of experience. If you're interested in learning about all of these jobs or these work opportunities, grab your pen and notepads and let's get right into the video. Hi everyone, so you're welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Money. Call me Mo. I am a business owner and I share content relating to business, finance and general money tips through literature, art and music. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. You are the real MVP. If you feel so inclined to give this video a like, a share, a subscription, do not hesitate to. Before I get right into this video, I'd like to share with you a quick disclaimer. Please note that the information I shared here today is solely for educational purpose and should neither be treated as business, finance, advertisement, non-legal advice. Thank you so very much. So you're welcome back. So the opportunities I will share with you today are about 5 in number, and they are to a large extent restricted to persons who are within the US. If you are outside of the US and you think that there are companies that offer these opportunities within your territory or region, you could also try them out. I also want to let you know that these opportunities are those that people or anyone could decide to try out, and it could earn you good money provided you're willing to put in the work and you're able or willing to learn on the job. So let's get right into the video. Now, the first business opportunity is food delivery business. Now, you do not have to have a food delivery company to run or be a part of this business. All you need to do is to decide to be a food delivery driver. In some cases, you might need to have your own sort of vehicle for you to be able to carry out these obligations and then earn yourself some money. And there are people who earn up to $40 per hour or even more, and on a daily basis they earn a lot of money for themselves. So this is a fantastic opportunity. Like I said, if you have a vehicle in whatsoever mode, you should be able to do this. And if you are outside of the US, what you should do is to look at the opportunities within your location and see whether or not you could sign up with some of these companies in order to earn for yourself some money. Now, one of the first companies that you could try out is DoorDash, and I know a number of us are familiar with DoorDash. So you could decide to become a dasher, and all you need to know is that you would have to use your vehicle to deliver food from restaurants to customers who order them. There are certain conditions you also have to meet in order to be a DoorDasher or a dasher, and once you're able to meet those conditions, you definitely will start to earn, and this will definitely help you in saving up some monies. And also tips that customers give to you, you tend to keep 100% of those tips. So if you want to try out DoorDashing, you could definitely try them out, and you could also check out some other videos of other dashers that have made money in this process. Now, Uber Eats is not so different from DoorDashing. The only thing is that for you to be a part of Uber Eats and earn monies via Uber Eats, you ought to have been a part of the Uber driving network. Let me put it that way. So you ought to have been at least someone who engages in Uber driving. So what happens generally with Uber Eats is that there's a dedicated app that people can decide to order food from on Uber Eats, and then once they order, you as an Uber driver could opt to deliver that food for them. So when you deliver the food, you're able to earn monies for that delivery service. So if you are outside of the US and this also obtains in your location, you can consider this and also earn some monies for yourself. I hope this is understood. So if you want to try out Uber Eats and you are that person who is willing to take that step, don't hesitate to. We are wishing you the very best. Just like DoorDashing and Uber Eats, Grubhub is also an online food delivery platform where you can order food from a wide variety of restaurants in your area with an option to have it delivered to you directly to your door. Now, if you are that person who wants to earn monies via delivery of food, you could go on the Grubhub platform to sign up to be one who delivers so that you could earn some monies. Remember, all of these platforms that I've mentioned do have their terms of engagement, and you want to be sure that you abide by those terms before you are able to earn. If you're going to be trying this out as well, let us know in the comments. I'm wishing you the very best. Again, if any of these services is applicable in your location, I don't mean the company itself. If you have companies that render similar services, you could try them out so that you could earn some monies for yourselves. Now, just like food delivery, the other opportunity I would share with you today is grocery delivery services. So if you are that person who wants to earn monies by delivering groceries for persons or for people who are unable to, for one reason or the other, you could definitely earn yourself some money doing it. I do use grocery delivery services sometimes when I'm unable to go get those groceries myself, and they have been pretty good for me. So in this part of the video, I would share with you some companies that you could decide to sign up with for you to start earning monies on these services. And like I said, you can earn up to $40 per hour when you put in the work and you abide by the terms of engagement of each platform. Now, for you to earn on Instacart, you have to be a shopper, and this largely applies to other grocery delivery services. So what happens in most cases is that as a shopper, you help your customer or the customer pick up the items that they had ordered via the supermarkets or supermarts website. And then once you have picked up those items, you would deliver the items at their doorstep. In some cases, or in most cases, they would also give you tips for that service, apart from the amounts you would also earn from the platform. So these companies or these platforms allow you to sign up to be shoppers on them, so that when you have people order food from the various convenience stores, supermarkets, and major stores, you are able to earn. And you would see that most of them do partner with several stores that makes things easy. Now, this next platform is Shipped or Ship It. You understand? Now, this platform is one I know that I have used before, not as a delivery person, but as a customer. I ordered items from a nearby store, and this was a platform that helped in the fulfillment of the order. The person that delivered it was fantastic, and everything was delivered on time. And I was, to a large extent, generous with my tips to that person. So if you are that person who wants to try out food delivery or grocery delivery services, and you're looking for platforms to try out, you could try out this platform as well. Please know that this is not any sort of endorsement. I have used this platform as an end user, and I like the service that was rendered. So you could also try out, but also this largely depends on how you do your work. So if you are that person who is diligent and you're willing to put in the work, you definitely would earn at least $40 on this platform. So if you want to try it out, do try out and let us know in the comments. That way your reviews would also help someone out there to take a step. So if you're that person who doesn't mind being a companion, and I mean giving your time to talk to someone who might just need that company, then these new sets of opportunities are for you. Again, you have to be sure that you are okay with the terms of engagement and service of these platforms before you sign up. Now, the first platform you could try out is the Rent a Friend platform. I'm sure that a number of us must have heard about this prior to this time. If you happen to be that person who doesn't mind being a company to someone else, when you listen to their worries, their stress, and other things that they might want to say to you, and you are willing to just be there to listen, you could earn for yourself at least $10 per hour, and you could also earn more if you had to include some specialized skills. Now, these platforms do have their terms of engagement and service, and if you think that you are that person who wants to go ahead to sign up to earn some money for yourself, be sure that you are first of all okay with the terms of service of these platforms before signing up. So just like Rent a Friend, Papa is another platform that offers this kind of services. So I understand that Papa is largely for persons who just need company on a medical basis. You could have them as seniors who do not have people to speak with or somebody to talk to, and you are willing to offer your services. Additionally, you should be able to earn more on these platforms if you also have some certified or specialized skills that could help these people when you talk to them, or when you decide to be a companion or a company. So if you want to try out this platform as well, again, check out the reviews of all of these platforms. Check out their terms of engagement. And if you think that these are terms that are okay with you and you do not mind going ahead, don't hesitate to sign up and let us know in the comments if you will be trying out any of this. So if you happen to be that person who enjoys taking care of animals, I do love dogs, and you do not mind, giving your time to be a dog walker, or you just are that person who just loves to care for animals, then this set of opportunities are for you. So you could try out care.com. They offer pet care jobs and services. So if you are that person who is looking to making some monies for yourself by taking care of animals and other pets, and you are not afraid to be in their company, you could try out these platforms. Again, before you sign up, be sure that you have gone through their terms of engagement and service, and those terms are okay with you. So if you're willing to try them out, let us know in the comments and let us know what your experiences are like. So just like care.com, WAG is another platform that does allow you, particularly if you are that person who enjoys taking care of pets and you don't mind doing that to earn yourself some money. So this platform also allows you to be a part of them and you're able to earn as well. All of these platforms have their terms of engagement, and you have to abide by those terms for you to be able to earn and also grow with your business. And if you're that person who wouldn't mind starting up a business around this, ensure that you are able to follow the regulations surrounding setting up these sort of businesses in your location, and then you can start earning for yourselves. Let's know if you will be trying out this for yourselves as well. So this last set of opportunities, I don't think is for everyone, but if you are that person who doesn't mind going ahead with it, I can assure you that, okay, don't let me say I would assure you, because I've not done this before, but I have seen the testimonials of those who have done it, that you could earn good monies off this business. And that is what you see right here. Now, Pooper is another platform that you could try out if you want to be that person who just wants to earn quick money doing this kind of jobs. Again, you have to be that person who enjoys being in the company of animals and you're not afraid to be in their company, because you would require yourself, or you would have to be in the company of animals to carry out these obligations. So you could go onto the Pooper website, look at their sign-up processes. If you are okay with the terms of engagement or terms of service or terms and conditions, and you want to sign up, and you can be sure that these are jobs that would earn you quick money, and you could earn really good money by the end of each day. So Pooper Scooper service also offers the same services the previous two renders. So if you want to be that person who could easily earn some monies rendering these services, it is fantastic to join. They are jobs that you could try out to earn good monies fast. Again, your timing is flexible, and if you are that person who doesn't mind starting a business around these services as well, they are good businesses that will also earn you really good money. If you are outside of the US and you do find companies that offer this sort of services in your location, and you also want to earn some monies to render those services or be a part of that company, it is not a bad thing to try out. I know that people might have certain thoughts that, they could not do this kind of job. That is why this kind of obligations or jobs are for persons who do enjoy being in the company of animals and who can definitely care for them. All of the opportunities I've mentioned all through this video could be available one way or the other in your location. And if you want to earn extra cash or extra monies by rendering your services as an agent or independent contractor of any of the companies that I have mentioned, and if you are outside of the US that do offer those services, you can earn yourself some extra bucks
throughout the day. So let's know which one you will be trying out in the list. So it is also important for me to stress the fact that all of the platforms I've mentioned on here aren't associated or affiliated with us or with me in any way. I just started to do my research to find opportunities that people could earn monies online without them having to stress themselves. Again, if you want to be a part of any of these platforms, check out their reviews on different review platforms. Check out their terms of service and engagements. If you think that they are okay with you and you want to sign up, don't hesitate to sign up. And if you happen to be outside of the US, you could scout companies that have similar objectives in your location. Reach out to them if you could also render your services and start earning for yourself. And if you happen to be that person who wants to build a business around this sort of services I have mentioned, ensure that you are aware of the policies and regulations in your location that allow you to do this kind of businesses and start earning. I'm wishing you the very best in this journey. Let's know what your journey is like. That way, someone else is inspired to take a step.
I hope you found value in this video. If you did, do consider giving it a like, a share, or a subscription. And let us know in the comments which of these methods you will be trying out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.